I've analyzed 4,281 Upwork proposals, worked on over 1,400 contracts, and earned over $1 million on platform. And here's the truth. Most freelancers do not realize in 2026, you are not being judged by clients first. You are being filtered by AI first. And if your profile does not match what Upwork AI is looking for, you don't just lose the job, you never get seen. So in this video, I'm going to show you exactly what Upwork AI is actually scanning, the patterns of profiles that get pushed, and how to fix your profile so you stop being invisible, because Upwork had changed and most freelancers completely missed it. It is no longer a simple marketplace where you apply, a client reads your proposal, and you get hired. That is the old system. The new system looks more like this. AI scans your profile. AI matches you to the job. AI decides if you are relevant. Then the client sees you. And here is the problem. Most freelancers are still optimizing for humans, but the first decision is made by the AI. And if you do not pass that first layer, then nothing else matters. Now, when I analyzed thousands of proposals and profiles, a very clear pattern showed up. The profiles that get pushed to clients all had one thing in common. They were predictable to the system. Not creative, not clever, not trying to stand out. Predictable, meaning the profile clearly told the AI exactly what it needed to know. This person solved this problem over and over again. And once the system understands that, it starts showing you more. Now compare that to what most profiles look like. I do web design, SEO, branding, and VA work. I help businesses grow online. I am passionate and hardworking. These profiles are invisible, not because they are bad, but because the AI cannot categorize them. And this is a shift you have to understand. Upwork AI is not asking if this freelancer is talented. It's asking if the freelancer is relevant for this job. And relevance is built from pattern. Your past jobs, your keywords, your portfolio, your consistency. So if your profile is scattered, your visibility drops. And this is where most freelancers get stuck. They think they need to improve their profiles. They think they need to lower their prices. They think they need to apply more. But the real issue is they are not even being placed in front of the right client. Now, based on everything I have analyzed, there are 5 things your profile must have. First is category clarity. Your profile should scream one thing, not 5. Not I can do this and that and also this. One clear direction, because clarity makes you easy to match. Second is job history patterns. Upwork is tracking what you have been hired for, and it builds a profile around that. So if your jobs are random, your future opportunities become random. If you want consistent opportunities, you need consistent job history. Third is keyword alignment. Your profile needs to match how clients describe their jobs. If a client says landing page for course creator, your profile should reflect that same language, because matching language increases relevance, and relevance increases visibility. Fourth is portfolio signals. Your portfolio is no longer just for clients. It is for AI. The title, the description, the themes, they are all reinforce what categories you belong to. If your portfolio is random, you confuse the system. And confused systems do not promote you. Fifth is profile consistency. Everything needs to be aligned. Your title, your bio, your portfolio, your job history. When everything says the same thing, the system trusts you, and trust leads to more visibility. Now here is where most freelancers go wrong. They think if I offer more services, I will get more jobs. But what actually happens is they become unmatchable because the system does not know where to place them. You are not helping yourself by being everything. So you are hurting yourself by not being clear. So here is what you should do instead. First, pick your primary category, not what you can do, but what you want to be known for. This is a decision, and it is one of the most important decisions you will make on the platform. Second, align everything to that category. Your title, your portfolio, your messaging, all pointing in one direction. No confusion, no mixed signals. Third, build a pattern. Take similar jobs, win similar projects, and repeat. Because repetition builds trust with the system, and trust increases your visibility over time. Fourth, stop random bidding. This is where most people destroy their own visibility. They apply to anything they can do instead of what they should be known for. And every random job weakens their pattern. Every misaligned job tells the system you are inconsistent. And inconsistency lowers your chance of being shown. So instead of chasing more opportunities, focus on reinforcing your direction. Now here is the final shift. Winning on Upwork in 2026 is not about being the best freelancer. It's about being the most relevant profile, the most clear, the most consistent, the most aligned with what the system understands. So if your profile is not getting views, if your proposals are not being opened, and if you feel invisible, it is not your effort, it is your positioning. So once you fix that, everything changes. Your profile starts to be shown. Your proposal starts getting opened. Your interviews increase, and your results compound because you are no longer guessing. You are working with the system instead of against it. And this is where most freelancers finally break through, not by working harder, but by becoming clearer, not by doing more, but by doing the right thing consistently. And if you want, I can review your profile live. Drop a comment below, or join my next Reset live stream where we can break this down in real time, because freelancing is not about working harder. It's about understanding the system. And once you understand the system, you stop guessing. You start seeing patterns, and you're finally starting to get results. Until next time, be freelantastic.